can still see them playing with their pails in the sand. They run to the water, their buckets to fill. I can still see the shells falling out of their hands as they follow each other back up the hill. Sarah, oh Sarah, virgin angel, sweet love of my life. Oh Sarah, radiant jewel, mystical wife. Sleeping in the woods by fire in the night, drinking white rum in a Portugal bar. Them playing leapfrog and hearing about Snow White. You in the marketplace in Savannah, Lamar. Sad, see her how she flies, golden sails across the sky, close enough to touch, but careful if you try, though she looks as warm as gold. The moon's so harsh, mistress, the moon can be so cold. Are you keeping a part of you I won't understand? Do you feel there's a side to you I won't want to find? Are you tired of feeling like you'll never find love that you can depend on to be there when the sunny sky's gone away? Oh, to be there when the sunny sky's gone away. Well, hello there, my, it's been a long, long time. How am I doing? Oh, I guess I'm doing fine. It's been so long, but it seems now it was only yesterday. Ain't it funny how time slips away?
How is your new love? I hope that is doing fine. And you told him that you'd love him till the end of time. Now that's the same thing that you told me just the other day. Ain't it funny how time slips away?
Scotty checked out this morning. In his customary way. With a glut.
long. Fare thee well. The dancer and the dancing days have taken leave and fell. So turn down this bed of stone, quench me with a deadly nightshade from the rosary below. The long December rain is falling now, running down on streets to nowhere. Music is my life, you're my sweetest nightingale, but I can't feel it here no more. So I go, I go. Hush now, don't you?
Ink orchid factory and greasy up my clothes. Ink orchid factory, splinters in my toes. Pitying me, my darling, pity me, I say, and pitying me, my darling, carry me away. No more hour that I really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
But baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has
Hoping that you
been so
drop in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they're just like
My
ice.
mother will start to worry.
Beautiful, what's your
My
hurry?
father will be pacing the
Listen to
floor.
the fireplace
So
roar.
really I'd better scurry.
Beautiful, please don't
Or
hurry.
maybe just to have a drink more.
Put some records on while
The
I
neighbors